Open the glove box. Remove the plastic tray by pulling it towards you. Remove the access panel. Pinch the tabs on the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the panel by threading the base in. Then push in on the clips to secure the panel. Reinstall the plastic tray. Make sure all tabs are secure in their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.